Hello Pond family, how's it going? Pond family لمعنتي سلاسة بتعمي وسنتين تقامتن لخون قالات يحزولكم مسيل اللهو سكام مجرشات خاتاتلو. نام جمرة ambition. Ambition is strong desire to succeed. Ambition مالت تمنيت ويهرفان مالت you. Example, it had been her lifelong ambition. ناعد من هرفانا خوينس أنيحيو. It had been her lifelong ambition. Analyze. Analyze is to examine carefully. Analyze is to examine carefully. Analyze ማለት analyze ተንተነ መርመረ ማለት እዩ. Analyze. Example. He tried to analyze his feelings. He tried to analyze his feelings. ስምዒቱ ክትንትን ፈቲኑ. ሳልሳይ assist. Assist is to help. Assist ማለት حገዘ ደግፈ ማለት እዩ. Example. We will do all we can to assist you. ኩሉ ዝከኣለና ክንገብር ኢና ንዓኻ ክንሕግዝ. ሓምሻይ beneficial. Beneficial is good or helpful. Beneficial is good or helpful. Beneficial ማለት እውን ጠቃሚ ሓጋዚ ማለት እዩ. Beneficial. So a good diet is beneficial to health. A good diet is beneficial to health. ጽቡቕ ኣመጋግባ ንጥዕና ጠቃሚ እዩ. A good diet is beneficial to health. Compete. Compete. To try to win or be better. To try to win or be better. Compete. Compete ማለት ተወዳደረ ተቀዳደመ ማለት እዩ. Example. We can compete with them on price. ብዋጋ ምሶም ክንወዳደር ኣይንኽእልን ኢና. We can compete with them on price. Confirm. Confirm is to prove something is true. Confirm to prove something is true. Confirm ማለት እውን አረጋገጸ ወይ አጽንዐ ማለት እዩ. Confirm. Can you confirm what happened? Can you confirm what happened? እንታይ ከም ዘጋጠመ ከተረጋግጽ ትኽእል ዶ? Convince. Convince is to make someone believe something. Convince to make someone to believe something. Convince ማለት አረደ ወይ አእመነ ማለት እዩ. Convince. Example. You will need to convince them of your enthusiasm for the job. You will need to convince them of your enthusiasm for the job. ነቲ ስራሕ ዘለካ ንሕክ ተእምኖም የድሌካ እዩ. ከድሌካ እዩ ማለት እዩ. So curious. Curious. Curious ማለት wanting to learn or know more. Wanting to learn or know more. Curious ማለት በትግርኛ ግዱስ ህንጡ እዩ ማለት እዩ. Curious. I was curious to find out what she was said. እንታይ ከም ዝተዛረበት ክፈልጥ ታንጤ ነይረ ማለት እዩ. እንታይ ከም ዝበለት ክፈልጥ ሃንቀውታ ነይርኒ. I was curious to find out what she has said. Develop. Develop. Develop is to grow or improve something. Develop is to grow or improve something. Develop ማለት ማዕበለ ሰሰነ ማለት እዩ. Develop. Develop. The children is developing normally. So ህፃውንቲ በአግባቡ ይዓብለው. The country is developing. as عدي تعبلا تمحشلا تغير لامات. Generous. 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 Willing to give or share. Willing to give or share. Generous. تقرينيا generous مالت لقاس لوه مالتي. Generous. She's generous. She's generous. سالقاس لوهايا. Jealous. Jealous. Jealous is unhappy because someone has something you don't. Jealous and happy because someone has something you don't. Jealous maletun qanna maletu. Jealous qanna. Don't be so jealous. Aytqna maletu. Don't be so jealous. Aytqna. Grateful. Grateful means thankful. Grateful malet amasgani maletu. Grateful. Patient. Patient is able to wait calmly. Patient is able to wait calmly. Patient ማለት ለለ ዕጉስ ዓቅለኛ ማለት እዩ. Patient. Reliable. Reliable. Reliable means someone you can trust. Reliable. እሙን ዝኾነ reliable ንብለለና ማለት እዩ. Respectful. Respectful is showing good manner and respect. Respectful. አኽባሪ ዘኽብር. Respectful. Sensitive. Sensitive. Sensitive ማለት እውን easily affected or emotional. Easily affected or emotional. Sensitive. Sensitive ማለት ብርቱዕ ጥንቃቐ ዘድልዮ ወይ ተነቃፊ ተተንካፊ ማለት እዩ sensitive stubborn ማለት not willing to change their mind stubborn is not willing to change their mind stubborn ማለት እውን ንቓፅ ጽኑዕ ማለት እዩ ሓሳቡ ዘይቕይር stubborn ኢልና supportive is helpful and caring supportive is helpful and caring supportive ማለት ድጋፍ ዝህብ ዘተባብዕ ማለት እዩ thoughtful ማለት caring about others need thoughtful ማለት እውን ብሓሳብ ዝተውሓጥ ወይ ሓሳቢ ንኻልኦት ሓላይ thoughtful ንብሎ ኣለና ማለት እዩ efficient ስሉጥ ወይ ድማ ጽፉፍ ንማለት ተደልና efficient ንብለና በእንግሊሽ working well without wasting time efficient ማለት working well without wasting time encourage is to give support or confidence encourage ማለት encourage ተባብዕ ኣበረታትዕ ማለት ተደልና encourage ንብለና expand is to grow or become bigger expand ማለት ሰፍሐ ወይ ገዘፈ ማለት እዩ expand focus is to give attention to something focus ማለት አትኩሮ መሃብ ትኩረት መሃብ focus influence is to affect someone or something influence ማለት ጽልዋ ምሕዳር ተሰማዕነት ምህላይ influence organize is to plan or arrange something neatly organize ማለት ወደ ወይ ሰርዐ ማለት መደበ ወይ ሰርዐ organize participate ማለት to take part in something participate ማለት ምስታፍ حسب مقلاص recognize to know someone or something recognize مللاي مفلات مالتي recognize remind is to help someone remind مالت مستواسيو suggest is to give idea or advice suggest مالت حسب رئيتو مهاب suggest ملنا Font family, thanks a lot. Subscribe, share, مقاري ترسو. Thank you very much.